If you're a lemon lover and you're looking for a new cookie recipe, you're not going to want to miss today's video. I am showing you how to make lemon poppy seed thumbprints. They're from my brand new cookbook. It's a nice sneak peek inside. You're not going to want to miss it. Hey everyone, this is Dorothy with crazyforcrust.com and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm giving you another sneak peek into my brand new upcoming cookbook, Crazy for Cookies, Brownies, and Bars, and I'm showing you how to make lemon poppy seed thumbprints. It's a shortbread cookie with perfect holiday cookie or for anyone who loves lemon. Get the sneak peek and the recipe below. You can also pre-order my cookbook. Comment is down there. But let's get in the kitchen and learn how to make these amazing cookies. For more delicious desserts and easy recipes, be sure to subscribe to my channel. This is a super simple cookie recipe. You don't need any eggs, you don't need any leavening. It's a great shortbread-like cookie. All you're going to do is add 3/4 of a cup of softened, unsalted butter and 1/3 of a cup of granulated sugar to a large bowl. You can use a stand mixer for this or a hand mixer. I'm using a hand mixer today, but again, use either one that you like. Mix those together, cream them until it's nice and smooth. Then add the zest of a lemon, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, and 1.5 teaspoons of poppy seeds. And you're gonna mix that together until a nice, smooth cookie dough forms. That's it. That's all you need to do to make that cookie dough. And now it's time to form our cookies and make our thumbprints. So I'm using a 1 tablespoon cookie scoop today. You can use a 3/4 to 1 tablespoon cookie scoop, whichever size you like or have. Scoop those cookies, roll them between the palms of your hand to make them nice and uniform, and place them on your cookie sheet. These are not going to spread super much, so you can only have to spread them about 2 inches apart. And now it is time to make our thumbprints. You can use your knuckle, the back of a wooden spoon. I find that the easiest way to make the little thumbprint indent in thumbprint cookies is by using the back of a 1/4 teaspoon. It's perfect and it doesn't usually stick to the dough. Now these are gonna be filled with lemon curd. You can use a jarred lemon curd. I will also link my lemon curd recipe up there. And the book also has a version of lemon curd that is perfect for this recipe. Go ahead and add 1/4 teaspoon of lemon curd to each thumbprint. You're gonna bake these at 350 degrees until the cookies are nice and lightly golden, about 11 to 16 minutes. Let them cool completely before stacking or enjoying them, but you can see how nice that lemon curd is. In the center, it kind of sets, and the cookies are nice and crumbly. So between the two, that's like that tart lemon from that each bite with that buttery sweet cookie. These are such an easy and fantastic cookie recipe. I'm super excited about this book, you guys. It has 85 recipes. Every single one has a photo. It ranges from classics like my favorite chocolate chip cookie recipe to cookies that are a little bit crazy like these thumbprints or stuffed cookies, cookie cakes, no-bake cookies. And I even have a few cookies that my puppy had a hand in making. Go ahead and try these lemon poppy seed thumbprints. I know you're gonna love them. Leave me a comment and let me know if you enjoyed them, and keep watching for even more desserts.